and it's a lot of fun, a lot of fun.
It is very addictive, very addictive. The ability to compete with my fellow man, to stress myself, to push myself beyond my own limitations, to find... No, okay.
It's a real kick in the ass.
What are these people talking about? Find out as the Mid-Pacific Pistol League presents...
Hit me with your best shot. Come on, hit me with your best shot. Hit me with your best shot. Fire away. Hit me with your best shot. Why don't you hit me with your best shot? Hit me with your best shot. Fire away.
In 1982, 7 avid pistol shooters here in Hawaii formed the Mid-Pacific Pistol League, a club dedicated to the sport of practical pistol shooting. So what is practical pistol shooting? Well, simply put, it is just a game designed to see who can shoot a pistol as accurately and quickly as humanly possible under a wide variety of situations. Now, let's take a look at some of the things that MPPL does.
Come on over, baby. Whole lot of shaking going on. Yes, I think
Sometimes you have to shoot from behind a barricade. Sometimes you have to shoot with your left hand. Not an easy thing to do.
Well, I say, come on over, baby. We got chicken in the corner. Woo, huh? Come on over, baby.
Sometimes you have to hit the dirt and come up shooting.
We ain't faking. Whole lot of shaking going on. Yeah, let's shake, baby, shake. I said shake, baby, shake. I said shake it, baby, shake it. Let's shake, baby, shake.
You may have to shoot in man-against-man dueling contests.
Shaking going on. Oh, let's go.
And sometimes you may even have to get rid of your pistol and pick up a rifle or shotgun.
Well, come on over, baby. We got chicken in the barn. Who's born was born, my born. Come on over, baby. Well, I got you blue by the horn. We ain't faking a whole lot of shaking going on. Easy now, shake it. Oh, shake it, baby.
As you can see, the Mid-Pacific Pistol League has a wide variety of activities to offer, and the possibilities are limitless. Now, let's take a look at what you'll need to get started. Of course, the first thing you'll need is a suitable handgun of caliber 9mm or .38 Special or larger. Most shooters today favor the .45 automatic because of its higher shot capacity and speed of reloading, but revolvers are also very popular. You will also need spare magazines or speed loading devices for your handgun. One of the most important aspects of practical pistol shooting is the ability of the shooter to reload his gun as rapidly as possible. Auto pistols are generally faster to reload than revolvers. But wait! Someone forgot to tell that to this gentleman. This is club member Flash Kawamoto, and watch him use his .45 caliber revolver.
Stand by. Ready, go.
As you can see, a revolver can be very fast indeed. Another item that you will need is a good, safe holster that will hold your gun securely while performing vigorous movements. Your holster should also allow you to rapidly draw the gun into action. And finally, the most important item that you'll need is an average degree of skill, because practical pistol shooting is not a sport for beginning handgunners. An average degree of skill is a prerequisite for membership in this club. The test for competency that we use is the National Rifle Association's TYRO qualification course. This is a simple shooting test of 24 shots and 3 targets. As the shooter goes through the TYRO course, he is observed not only for skill, but mostly for safe gun handling habits. Here, a club member is demonstrating a part of the course.
Okay, is the shooter ready? Shooter is ready. Stand by. Ready. Thank you. Clear your weapon. Thank you. Holster.
Now, in this portion of the TYRO course, you will be required to fire 2 shots at each of the 3 targets. Reload your gun and continue to fire 2 more shots into each target under a time limit of 15 seconds.
Is the shooter ready? Shooter is ready. Stand by. Ready. Thank you. Holster.
To pass the TYRO course, you must achieve a 70% score as well as demonstrate safe habits. So, if you would like to join us in this exciting, action-packed sport, complete with the thrill of victory and the agony of defeat, come on in and join the Mid-Pacific Pistol League. For more information, write us, the Mid-Pacific Pistol League, Post Office Box 90037, Honolulu, Hawaii, 96835.